2016 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, fog lights, power windows, security system, CD player, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, tachometer, remote keyless entry, overhead console, brake assist, panic alarm, front reading lamps, front bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.